Thaddeus, one of the most passionate commentators during the Good News gatherings at Peter's house, had gotten carried away in the meeting, listing the requirements for human happiness and denouncing both the rulers of Rome and the rabbis of the Sanhedrin. Overcome with barely concealed indignation, he spoke at length about the discord and suffering plaguing the people, placing the blame on the political shortcomings of the time. After he had shared many valuable reflections on the topic, Jesus asked him, "Thaddeus, how do you define happiness?" "Master, happiness is peace for all." The Christ gave a meaningful look and gently asked, "Yes, Thaddeus, I understand that. However, I'd like to know what would make you truly happy." The disciple, somewhat shy, replied, "Master, I believe I would attain perfect peace if others could understand me. What I truly wish is for people not to misjudge my noble and pure intentions. I know I make mistakes often, for I am human. Yet I would be content if those around me recognized my sincere desire to do what is right. I would breathe a blessed joy if I could trust my fellow beings and receive from them the fair consideration I feel I deserve, given the nobility of my ideals. I long for the respect of everyone so I can work without obstacles. I would rejoice if slander forgot me. I live in hope of others' kindness, and I believe the world would be a paradise if people treated each other according to my honest desire to be respected by all. Indifference and slander wound my heart. I believe sarcasm and suspicion were created by the spirits of darkness to torment souls. Cruelty feels like poison when it's directed at me. Wickedness is a phantom of pain when it crosses my path. Because of all this, I would feel truly happy if my relatives, friends, and fellow countrymen sought me out not for what I seem to be in my bodily imperfections, but for the goodwill I believe dwells within my soul. Above all, Lord, I would be deeply satisfied if those who journey with me granted me the right to freely pursue my own form of personal happiness, as long as I feel aligned with the code of goodness within my conscience, without irony or unjust criticism. In short, Master, I long to be understood, respected, and appreciated by everyone, even though I am not yet the model of perfection that heaven expects of me with the blessed help of pain and time." The apostle fell silent, and in the simple room an air of curiosity arose as everyone awaited the opinion the Christ would offer. Some of the companions expected the heavenly friend to deliver a long discourse, but the Master fixed his very clear eyes on the disciple and spoke with frankness and sweetness. "Thaddeus, if you truly seek the joy and happiness of the whole world, then treat others as you would have them treat you. And as each person walks by this same principle, we will soon extend the glories of paradise across the earth."